motion is better than no motion. You got the old gas tank out. And we're about to, well, we're not about to do nothing. We're not about to do a damn thing. Got the new gas tank installed already. Can y'all see that? Got the new gas tank installed. Gas tank straps look a little crazy underneath there. So pretty much what I'm about to do now is I already ran the fuel wires, the ground, and the hot wire to the Terminator X. I already ran the braided AN6 fuel lines, and power lines, and the grounded and all that. So now I'm about to basically put some gas up in here. I did not test the fuel pump, but it's all good. Let's get this thing fired up, y'all. If you're still sticking around, like I said before, man, please like, subscribe, show love. Hit the thumbs down. Only if your ugly ass is a bum. I just licked some dirt. Crazy. Up, man. How you filling the gas up? For one, after I finish doing any kind of fuel stuff, it's obvious you got to take a shower. Two, it's just a damn mess. So now what we're gonna do is, low-key, I think we can actually fire this damn car up. But I didn't do no cuts, as you guys see. I'm about to test right now. Where's it at? I'm going to test his fuel gauge to see if his fuel gauge is working. Oh damn, the damn keys is in this. Gotta find a way to set up the camera because I want to record on my phone as well for TikTok, because TikTok sees it first, believe it or not. So follow your boy on TikTok at LSSWAPGURU. You could keep searching LSSWAPGURU or just searching Find Mechanic. Both will pop up. So we about to test and see if we got any, well, see if the fuel gauge goes up or down. The fuel gauge is working. That was a long ass prime. Actually, I'm gonna try to fire this thing up. I'm gonna check all the monitors. Go here, go to multiple gauges, go to -3. You can see everything. Battery is good. Fuel pressure low, RPM stalled, no oil pressure. It's a lot of stuff. I'm actually going to set this camera up outside because I'm going to be outside. I need to make sure there's no oil leaking. I also need to make sure, you know, no fire. And I have to plug the, in that, actually, I'm going to prime the engine a couple more times to make sure there's no fuel coming. It's weird because, oh, okay, I see fuel. You see that? That's fuel actually leaking. So that might not be tight. Definitely wasn't tight. These are tight here. put a bolt in the brake booster hose because obviously we don't have a brake booster on this thing, but Eddie is going to be upgrading it. So what I'm going to do right now is go inside. If I have to give it a little bit of throttle, I'm going to help it out, but I'm going to fire it out. I'm going to fire it up first without gas, sees what happens. I have the throttle cable hooked up as of yesterday, so I'm going to go inside, try to give it some gas if needed. Matter of fact, I'm going to try to fire it up first with just based off the key and see what happens, and then after that, if that don't work, then I'll give it some gas and see if we have the things fired up. I don't know, it's a little fuel getting up here. I know for a fact I didn't cross the lines, but we'll see what happens.